Hi, everybody. It's time for you and Kimoti. Today, we would like to provide you about the Microsoft Copilot function in Excel. This Several weeks ago, we provided about the Copilot in Excel agent mode. In this time, you could calculate affect the uh, calculation on your Excel cell. Agent mode that is handle the whole Excel sheet, Excel file. But in this time, function Copilot function handles just only cell. Today, you will survey about what Copilot function in Excel is. Are you ready to start?
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Okay, getting started.
Okay, let's begin. Very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Yuva and Kimoti's weekly live Sunday live session, where we discuss the latest AI tech tools and how they can help us in real life. So, as Kimoto-san mentioned, uh, in our in our previous week, so we have talked about the Excel, Word, and PowerPoints Copilot, and today we And also we have covered about Excel agent mode and where you can actually literally chat with Excel and it does the work for you, like creating charts, fixing formulas, so all through just natural language. So you just need to type something and then it will do it for you. But today, we are still on Excel, but looking at something new and quite different. So Microsoft actually they just announced a new feature called Copilot Function. So this one is not a chat assistant. So not like the agent mode we covered before. So it's actually AI inside a cell. So if I go to this, so I can type a formula here. So basically, it's a text generator built directly into a formula. So I just wonder why Microsoft or other AI companies they didn't have these kind of ideas when I was studying. So I really envy the students now. Well, so let's look at this Copilot function. What is this actually? So basically, you write a formula. For example, Copilot, can you help us to summarize? Right, okay, let me share this one. So like this. So I have several feedbacks, customer feedbacks here, examples, samples, and then here I can just input like summarize this text from A2 to A11. And then this Excel will give me the summary inside the spreadsheet. So I don't need to chat with AI or know any side panels for here. So just a formula that is returning AI generated text. So it's actually very different from the agent mode that we have covered before. And now let's look at this agent mode. So the previous one. So the one we talked about in our previous live session. So just take a quick look what it is. So this agent mode, it is more like talking to a personal assistant. So like we are chatting with the Gemini chat GPT, but this is inside the Excel. So here, what you can tell is you can ask or you can tell the Excel, create a chart or please fix this formula for me or even clean this table. So there are many things that we could able to do using the AI assistant on Excel. And the Excel performs the steps for us. So the big difference here is it is simple. So this agent mode AI assistant. So everything is with the AI. Okay, let me show you this part. So for example here, so this is the agent mode that we used before. So for example, I have a sample data and then I have this AI here. So when I ask anything about this data, so this AI can read throughout this table and then can come out with the result automatically. So I don't need to remember all the formulas. So this AI is going to help me being an assistant for me. Okay, next. So where this new Copilot function, they already have one AI agent mode inside the Excel, and then they come up with this Copilot function. So this Copilot function, as I mentioned, so this one actually generates text inside the cell. So you type a formula, and then this AI returns the summaries, or it can rewrite, list, or even it can brainstorm the ideas. So, and then the nice part of this new function, the result actually update automatically if your data changes. So it all happens inside this Excel. So you just need to come up with this Copilot formula. Okay. So let's take a quick look at Microsoft official video. I have prepared this so you can see exactly how this Copilot function works inside the Excel. Very quick one, just few seconds only. Just a moment, let me share with the sound. Okay, I'm going to share this the sound. Okay, let's play this. So this is how it works, the new Copilot.
Equals Copilot, and there you can see its signature. The most important arguments are the first two. The first one is the prompt. It's the prompt you're sending the LLM. And then the second argument is any context that you might want to send the LLM to consider. Once you provided that and hit enter, we send it to the LLM considers it, and the results are returned to you in your grid.
That's what I love about this function. It's just like so deeply and seamlessly integrated into Excel, into your workbook, part of your model. It's fantastic. Keep going.
Yeah, let's take a look here. I've got a spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet has some feedback about the coffee machine in the cafeteria. But it's difficult to understand what the feedback's about. So I'm going to go equals Copilot, and I'm going to give it a prompt here, and I'm going to say, summarize this feedback into a paragraph. And then I'm going to pass in the feedback. That goes away, calculates, and the result comes back. And you can see.
Yes, so that's how it works. So this is for text. Mostly it works for the text. So I think the steps are very easy. So anyone who uses the Excel will definitely want to try this, right? But the problem here is the Copilot function, actually, it is still rolling out globally, and unfortunately, this function are not even active in my Excel environment yet. So I tried actually different setups, but I still get the name like NA error, and which simply means the feature hasn't reached my tenant yet. So I think this is totally normal, and Microsoft feature sometimes takes time to appear depending on region or subscription. Okay, so don't be surprised when you try it if it doesn't work for you yet either. So it will take some time for us to reach our region or the subscription. But next time I will do a full demonstration, hands-on demonstration, real examples or with the real data and a proper side-by-side comparison with the agent mode. Okay, so today is just the overview and introduction about this Copilot, that Microsoft new feature Copilot. So I think that's all for today's session. Okay, so Himoto-san, what's your feedback about this new
Oh,
feature?
I'm a user Excel on the enterprise version. That environment, I couldn't use this Copilot function. Maybe Microsoft released this feature from consumer version Excel. So enterprise version users should
Mhm.
wait the several weeks.
Yes, I think so.
Hmm. Ayuba,
So we
I have a question to
Mhm.
you.
Yes,
In
Kimoto-san.
Malaysia, especially
Mm-hmm.
Muslim and Indian, has a
Mm-hmm.
very long name. Long name.
Ah, yes.
They, this function could separate that kind of long name, family name, given name. Is it right?
Yes, Kimoto-san. Because this co-pilot function basically for the text. So I think this function actually could help us to do that
Hmm.
automatically.
Hmm.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, that's the
uh,
finding,
I am
Kimoto-san.
a foreigner in Malaysia, so I couldn't this but check their name. Which part is family name? Which part is given name? Maybe native
Yeah.
Malaysian could recognize.
Yes, that's easy for us to recognize. Okay, so I think thank you, Kimoto-san. That's all from our
Hmm,
side today. So thank you for
hmm,
joining us.
hmm.
And
After Yuba could use this feature, that
mhm.
occasion, Yuba explained is Yuba maybe Yuba could present us a live session about this.
Yes, I will do the real demonstration, Kimoto-san,
Hmm,
next time.
okay.
Yes.
Thank you for your job today. Presentation. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you. And see you all again next Sunday with another interesting
Yeah.
AI topic. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye bye.
See you.
See you.
The live.